Hello, welcome to this 80th episode of Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips, and in this episode I'll be showing you how to use an Inkscape extension called NiceCharts to draw a pie chart. You can draw a couple of other sorts of charts, but probably the most useful is pie charts because you can enter the data values and it'll calculate the angles for you. You can see up here I've got some values. The syntax is the title or the category, full colon amount, then separate with commas the next category, full colon amount, and so on. Now if I go T for the text tool and select that, Control C, select tool and click away, I've copied that to the clipboard. Now I'll delete this chart and show you how I created it from scratch. Going up to extensions, render, NiceCharts, and under charts I've got pie chart selected. You can see other types of chart, bar chart and stack bar chart in particular, but I'll leave it on pie chart for now. Now I've played around with these settings. These seem to be good settings, so you might want to take a note of these. Bar length seems to do nothing. The bar width is the thickness of the line pointing to the sectors. That's the size of the chart. That produces, I think, a reasonably good size. Not sure about the bar offset, what that does. The stroke width is the thickness of the line pointing to the sectors, and this is the distance from the pie chart circle to the titles of each category. Again, this section doesn't seem to do anything, so I'll put zeros there. Let me know if you find that they do something that I didn't realise. I chose the colour scheme contrast, seems to produce more eye-popping colours, and under values I took out show values. I just want the arrows, I don't want the values in brackets, but you can put that in if you want. Under labels, that's just the font label and the font colour black, and the data is here, which I pasted in before, but I'll just delete it to show you that I can Control V to paste in my data there. That's the main thing. Now if you want a live preview, you can click that button and nothing happens. It should have done something. I'll click apply and close, which I would normally do, and what a spectacular, craptacular failure that was. Wonder why. Sometimes Inkscape can be a bit buggy like that. I'll just go back to extensions, try again, render, NiceCharts, live preview, and you can see it has done it there, and apply and close. If I zoom in, you can see that's quite a nice, neat, quick way of doing a pie chart when it works. Once again, thanks for watching.